The TGM is very important because it brings us all together, where we share information, and it's great to meet and catch up with everybody.
It's a great experience. It's my first Tapflo Group meeting, so I finally meet personally guys and girls. I finally can talk with them, see them.
Friendly atmosphere and really kind people, and it's really cool.
The spirit is unbelievable, you know. For me, it's the first time, I told you, to be so close. Also with the boss as well, you know. He's not sitting in his tower and looking down to us, because he's a part of us and he's quite close. I think that's perfect, because then he realized what happened, what can I do better, or where it goes, which direction we can go together.
It seems like a big family. Everyone is friendly, you can talk, you can ask. You don't feel yourself like someone small. I feel myself like on the level with another people.
I'm working for Tapflo since '99. So far it's just 25 years, and for me it looks like the first day. It's very exciting to work with Tapflo. We have a very great relation between all of us, a very good relation with the owner of the company, and for me it's the best choice in my life, let's say.
I'm so excited, a lot of information here in TGM, and I know more about pumps, spare parts, and it's really big industry.
I'm enjoying the whole time here, and I'm quite new in the company, and it's a lot of information for my brain. I have to recognize and to work with it, but I like it, to know every experience from every country and culture.
It's quite an important social event for Tapflo, as well as a learning event for all new products and product developments.
You have opportunity to grow up completely in terms of, first of all, personality, in terms of job, in terms of knowledge, and also in terms of relation with the rest of the world, let's say.
Tapflo TGMs are always good fun. It's you meet the Tapflo family, so it's very relaxed and very comfortable environment. It is, and every year it gets bigger and better.
I'm very happy to be here.